Hello subscriber. Today we are discussing about the AC generator, means alternating current generator. First I have explained about that the AC is a type of a current, alternating current. So we are focused about the main topic, alternating current. Basic, we have explained about this, about the basic definition of a AC generator, how does an AC generator works, and we also discuss about the what is the AC generator used for, is a generator DC or a AC, and what are the two main part of a AC generator. And we also discuss about the generator prices. Prices means just a DC generator is a more cheaper or a AC generator is a more cheaper. So we are starting our topic. First topic is a AC generator. Basic definition. An alternating current or a AC generator is a device that produces a potential difference. A simple AC generator consists of a coil of a wire rotating in a magnetic field. Cars used a type of a generator called the alternator to keep the battery charged and to run the electrical system while the engine is working. Means the AC generator is an alternating current. It's also used for a charging in a cars or a batteries, which will be during the running condition of an engine, that will be charged. And also in this topic, that will be clearly explained about that the alternator generator AC generator is used for a charging and also for a electrical source, which is using in home appliances. How does an AC generator works? AC generator works on a principle of a Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, which states that the electromotive force EMF or voltage is generated in a current carrying conductor that cuts a uniform magnetic field. Means the AC generator is working on a mutual induction. Mutual induction law is given by a Faraday's law of electromagnetic, which has been already explained in the last topics and also in the books. So that generator is working on a electromagnetic mutual induction. What is a AC generator used for? Means the uses of a AC generator. The two backup generators are used for a different purpose. An AC generator is used for a power similar electrical items used in a business, such as a coffee machine, computer, etc. Or the other hand of a DC generator is used for a power of a large electric motor, even as a big those used in a subway system. Means this generator has been a simple and it also used on a different devices like as a cars and other motors, and that will be generator will be charged the batteries, and then the battery will be used for a starting motors and other source. And that generator is AC generator is also designed for a torque, means using of a motors and other things. And also AC generator is called the submarine engine generators. Means it will be working on a seas and other any critical temperatures in the environment. It also used that. Is a generator is a DC or a AC? No, AC generator is also mechanical device that converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy power. DC generator is a mechanical device that converts the mechanical energy into the DC electric power. In an AC generator, the electrical current reverse direction periodically. Means in a AC generator means it will be in alternating mechanical power will be convert into the alternating current power. And in a DC generator, the mechanical power will be converted into the DC current. What are the two main part of an AC generator? The armature is a part of an AC generator in which output voltage is produced. The prime mover is the component that used to drive an AC generator. The rotor of any AC generator is a part of its driving of a prime mover, and that will be rotates the stator of any AC generator is a part of a substationary. Means armature and stator is the main part of a generator to rotate it. And we have a financially discuss about the generators, no? Which is the cheapest AC or a DC generator? The DC generator is the cheapest than the AC. The angle of a debated has been fair amount of a cheating, but our own honest analysis shows that the true cost of a DC power includes the switchgear, UPS, cabling, etc. in the at least 20% lower than that of an component of a AC. Means the AC has been a large coil, large and more system has been required about that. So the DC is the cheapest way. What are the AC generator used? The typically AC generator powers and appliances, small motors and the increased vacuum cleaner and the food mixture, and however DC generator are used to power a large electrical motor than such use of a submarine systems. Which rules is used in a AC generator? The flaming right hand rule for a generator shows the direction of an induced current which when a conductor attached to the circuit moves in a magnetic field generator windings. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me. If you have required any topic about that generator and their modulation, sub please comment below. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thanks for watching my video. Please, thank you.